Thanks to the Uberization of the service industry, consumer expectations are soaring to new heights. Existing back-office technology systems have been designed to schedule the preferred appointment to suit your business and technicians, but not your customer. They have to wait at home all day, sometimes literally in the dark, getting frustrated waiting for the technician to arrive. This leads to them calling your call center or office to chase their customer care appointment, or going out and missing it completely. This is where the Clixifix Technicians app comes in. The Clixifix Technicians app uses location intelligence to give live updates to your customers using two-way communication and real-time tracking. This gives customers confidence around appointments and provides your workforce with a simple, intuitive app to keep customers in the loop. The collaboration with the back-office team provides you with real-time visibility of service operations when the repair or issue is resolved. The Clixifix Technicians app can capture valuable feedback via SMS and in-app, so you can continue to grow and learn. The Clixifix Technicians app's innovative technology is built for construction, house building, and property management companies. It's quick to implement and seamlessly slots into your current Clixifix account. Clixifix defect and repair resolution software reduces time spent on administration, delivers lower costs, and higher customer satisfaction. Book a demo today at clixifix.com.